Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into the best kitchen rug ideas you need to see. Get ready to explore some stunning designs and learn why they're both beautiful and practical. Let's get started! This kitchen design perfectly combines elegance and functionality. I love the choice of the patterned rug, which adds warmth and a touch of vintage charm to the space. The blue cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the white countertops and backsplash, creating a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. The extended wooden island is a fantastic choice, providing ample space for both cooking and casual dining. The large patterned backsplash behind the stove is a bold statement that ties the entire room together. If I could make one improvement, I'd add more lighting under the cabinets to enhance the workspace. Overall, this kitchen is a delightful blend of style and practicality. I adore the vibrant and eclectic feel of this kitchen. The choice of the colorful rugs adds a dynamic layer to the space, making it feel lively and welcoming. The white cabinetry and countertops keep the kitchen looking clean and bright, while the gold accents in the lighting and range hood add a touch of luxury. The turquoise stool cushion and the splash of color from the living area tie the entire look together beautifully. The open layout ensures functionality, making it easy to move around and cook efficiently. One thing I would change is adding a few more pops of color in the accessories to balance the bold rugs. Overall, this kitchen is both stylish and practical. I absolutely love the retro vibe of this kitchen. The mix of bold colors and vintage patterns gives it a unique, eclectic charm. The round green table with mismatched chairs is a fantastic choice, adding both character and functionality. The braided rug underneath ties the seating area together and adds a cozy, earthy touch. The warm wood tones of the cabinetry complement the vibrant orange and green accents perfectly. If I were to make any changes, I'd suggest updating the appliances to modern ones for better efficiency, while still maintaining the retro aesthetic. This kitchen feels both nostalgic and lively, making it a delightful space to enjoy. This kitchen has a sleek, modern look that I find very appealing. The dark blue cabinetry is a bold choice that adds depth and sophistication, contrasting nicely with the light countertops. The stainless steel appliances complement the overall aesthetic, giving the space a clean, contemporary feel. I particularly love the intricate pattern of the rug, which adds a touch of elegance and ties the color scheme together beautifully. It also provides comfort underfoot while cooking. If I were to make any changes, I might add some under cabinet lighting to enhance visibility and add a bit more warmth to the space. This kitchen strikes a great balance between style and functionality. I absolutely love the bright and airy feel of this kitchen. The all-white cabinetry and countertops create a clean, timeless look that makes the space feel larger and more open. The glass front cabinets add a touch of elegance and provide a great way to display beautiful dishware. The rug, with its soft, muted pattern, adds a subtle layer of texture and warmth to the room, making it feel more inviting. The large farmhouse sink is both stylish and highly functional, perfect for handling large pots and pans. If I could change anything, I might add a few pops of color with accessories or fresh flowers to break up the white. Overall, this kitchen is a perfect blend of style and functionality. This kitchen is stunning with its open and airy design. The large windows and skylights flood the space with natural light, making it feel spacious and inviting. The black cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the light countertops and backsplash, adding a modern touch. I'm particularly fond of the textured rug. Its geometric pattern adds visual interest and defines the kitchen area, making it cozy and warm. The rattan bar stools bring a touch of natural elegance, seamlessly blending with the outdoor view. If I were to suggest an improvement, I'd add some pendant lighting over the dining table to enhance the ambiance. This kitchen perfectly balances style and practicality. This kitchen has a charming, cozy feel that I really appreciate. The light gray cabinetry paired with the marble countertops creates a soft, elegant look. The subway tile backsplash adds a classic touch, while the stainless steel appliances give a modern edge. I love the runner rug. Its subtle pattern adds texture and warmth to the space, making it feel inviting. The dining area, with its simple wooden table and chairs, complements the kitchen's aesthetic beautifully. If I were to make any changes, I'd add some open shelving for displaying decorative items and additional storage. Overall, this kitchen is both stylish and functional, perfect for everyday use. I love the minimalist yet warm feel of this kitchen. The light wood cabinetry paired with white countertops and backsplash creates a clean and inviting atmosphere. The open shelves are a great design choice, allowing for both storage and display of decorative items, adding a personal touch. The black fixtures and lighting add a modern contrast that enhances the overall look. The striped rug is a fantastic addition, bringing in a subtle pattern that adds depth and warmth to the space. If I were to make any changes, I'd consider adding a few more plants to bring in some greenery and life. Overall, this kitchen is a beautiful blend of simplicity and style. I'm captivated by the serene and elegant feel of this kitchen. The soft gray cabinetry with brass hardware adds a touch of sophistication, while the arched backsplash with subtle tile patterns creates a beautiful focal point. The open shelf above the sink is perfect for displaying charming, functional pieces. The farmhouse sink and brass faucet add a touch of rustic charm, blending seamlessly with the modern design elements. I particularly love the rug. Its light color and tassels add a cozy, textured element to the space. If I were to make any changes, I'd add a pop of color with some vibrant accessories or plants to enhance the overall aesthetic. This kitchen is a perfect example of minimalism done right. This kitchen strikes a perfect balance between classic and modern elements. I love the clean, white cabinetry paired with the black hardware, which adds a striking contrast and contemporary feel. The farmhouse sink and the sleek black faucet are both stylish and functional, making the kitchen feel cozy and efficient. The dark runner rug is a standout piece, with its intricate pattern adding depth and a touch of elegance to the space. It also provides a comfortable surface to stand on while cooking. If I could make any changes, I might add some under-cabinet lighting to enhance visibility and create a warm ambiance. Overall, this kitchen is beautifully designed and highly practical. This kitchen has a charming farmhouse-inspired design that I find very inviting. The white cabinetry and gray countertops create a fresh, clean look, while the black hardware adds a modern touch. The open shelving above the cabinets provides a perfect spot for decorative items, adding personality to the space. The geometric rug is a fantastic addition, bringing in a cozy texture and tying together the black and white elements beautifully. It also adds comfort underfoot, making the kitchen more pleasant to work in. If I could make any changes, I'd consider adding some open shelving on the walls for extra storage and display space. Overall, this kitchen is both stylish and functional. I'm absolutely charmed by the cozy, rustic feel of this kitchen. The white beadboard cabinetry paired with the black hardware creates a timeless farmhouse look. The open shelving is a fantastic feature, allowing easy access to dishes and the opportunity to display beautiful kitchenware. The decorative elements, like the cutting boards and greenery, add warmth and personality to the space. The rug is a standout piece with its intricate black and white pattern, grounding the room and providing a comfortable area to stand while cooking. If I could make any changes, I might add some under-cabinet lighting to enhance the workspace and add a warm glow. Overall, this kitchen is both inviting and functional. This kitchen has a bright and modern aesthetic that I really appreciate. The white cabinetry with brass hardware creates a sleek, contemporary look, while the dark countertops add a striking contrast. The light gray backsplash with its subtle pattern adds texture and depth to the space. I love the choice of the colorful runner rug. Its intricate design and soft hues bring a touch of warmth and personality to the kitchen. It also adds a comfortable surface underfoot, perfect for long cooking sessions. If I were to suggest any improvements, I might add some floating shelves to break up the cabinetry and provide additional display space. Overall, this kitchen is stylish, functional, and inviting. I'm really impressed by the bold, modern design of this kitchen. The black cabinetry paired with the white countertops creates a striking, contemporary look. The stainless steel dishwasher and farmhouse sink add a sleek, industrial touch. I love the choice of the patterned rug. Its black and white design ties in perfectly with the overall color scheme and adds a playful yet sophisticated element to the space. The open shelving and glass front cabinet provide excellent display opportunities, adding personality and functionality. If I were to make any changes, I'd consider adding some pendant lights above the island to enhance the lighting and add an extra layer of style. Overall, this kitchen is a fantastic blend of modern aesthetics and practical design. I love the classic yet modern feel of this kitchen. The white cabinetry with black hardware creates a clean, timeless look, and the black dishwasher and stove add a contemporary contrast. The marble backsplash adds a touch of elegance and ties everything together beautifully. The striped rug is a great choice. It adds a playful yet sophisticated element to the space and provides a comfortable surface for standing while cooking. The fresh flowers add a lovely touch of nature, bringing life and color into the kitchen. If I were to make any changes, I'd consider adding some open shelving for additional storage and display space. Overall, this kitchen is both stylish and functional, making it a delightful space to cook and entertain. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the best kitchen rug ideas. I hope you found some inspiration to enhance your own kitchen space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.